Hello my dear students, we can continue with integration. That is two problems we are doing from the exercise 7.3. That is repeatedly asked question, okay. That is integral sine 3x cos 4x dx. How we can integrate such questions, okay. For this we have to apply a formula. Which formula we can apply? Sine A, here cos B, okay. Here sine 3x cos 4x. Sine A cos B is what? There is a formula, that is half into, we have sine of A plus B plus we have sine of A minus B, which is the expansion of sine A cos B. So we can apply this formula here. So directly we can apply, we have half you can put outside. Integral, we are not integrating, just applying the formula of this. So sine we have what? A plus B, that is 3x plus 4x 7x. 7x plus we have sine of A minus B. 3x minus 4x we have minus x dx. Actually sine of minus x is what? Minus sine x. This negative sign we can write here. Half of, at the same time we can separate the two terms and integrate. Half is common for both. Sine 7x dx, one term. This minus we can write here. Again integral half is there, correct? Integral we have sine x dx. Now we can integrate because we know the integral of sine x as minus cos x. So here half you can put. Integral of sine 7x is what? Cos 7x. There will be a negative sign, negative cos 7x by 7. In differentiation what you will do? If cos 7x into 7. In integration we will by 7 will come, okay. Then minus half again. Integrating sin x is what? Minus cos x plus c. Now this you can rearrange it and write, okay. This will be what? 2 into 7, 14. So there will be negative 1 by 14. We have cos 7x. Then negative, negative plus. Plus we have cos x by 2 plus c, which is the answer, okay. It's very simple. Just we need to memorize the formula. Here sin A cos B is what? Half sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Then apply the formulas, split the integrals and integrate it, okay. So similar problem one more we can do. So the next similar question, the difference is here both are sine. Sine 4x, sine 8x. So we need to apply the formula what? For sine A, sine B. That expansion is half, both are cos, okay. Cos of first A minus B minus we have cos of A plus B, which is the required expansion of sine A, sine B. Just apply the expansion here before integrating, that is we have cos here. A and B is what? 4x and 8x. A minus B, so what is negative 4x, correct. 4x minus 8x minus 4x. Minus we have cos of A plus B, 4 plus 8, 12x dx. Half you can put outside. Now here we have cos minus 4x is what? Cos of minus x is just cos x, okay. So the negative sign no need. Split it and integrate. So first integral we have cos 4x dx. Half is common for both terms. Integral we have cos 12x dx. Now we can integrate it because we know the integral of cos x as sin x. So half as such you can put. Integral of cos x is sin x. 4x is what? 4x by 4 will come, okay. Then minus half again. Again it is sin 12x by 12 plus c. We can rearrange it and write this will be the answer. So the final answer will be on simplifying sin 4x by 2 into 4 we have 8 minus sin 12x, 12 into 2, 24 plus c, which is the final answer. These 10 questions can be asked. Just you need to memorize the formulas of sin A, cos B, cos A, sin B, sin A, sin B, like that. Okay. Apply the formula, then integrate it. So next we can move to theorem 3 in the matrices, which I have missed. One student has asked to explain it. So we can move to theorem 3. Okay. So the theorem 3 is what? Inverse of a square matrix. If it exists, it should be unique. Okay, that is, for a square matrix A, if it has an inverse B, that B should be unique. It shouldn't contain two values. How we can prove? That is, for A is a square matrix, assume that it has two inverse, B and C. According to the theorem 3, we need to prove this both B and C are equal. Then only it becomes unique, correct? So, if B is the inverse of A, how we can write the relation? Remember, AB equal to BA equal to I. This is in terms of matrices we are writing. If it is confusing, just in numbers how we can write inverse, that is, if 5 is A, its inverse is 1 by 5, which is again we can write it as 1 by 5 into 5. That is, it is what? 1. The same concept in terms of matrices, okay. So this is 1 in the case of B. What in the case of C? If C is the inverse of A, how we can write? AC equal to CA equal to I. Second one, okay. The two relations. From the two relations, both are I. So we can equate AC and BA, correct? That is AC equal to BA, which is again equal to, the I means what? Identity matrix. Here what it means? C is the inverse of A. B is the inverse of A. That means both are same. C is equal to B. If B and C are equal means it is unique. A has unique inverse. Clear? So, next class we can continue with integration, more problems. Till then keep practicing, students. Bye.